ones we're gonna plant. We're gonna let them grow, and then we're gonna plant them. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
Well, this one, Mom, when I mean tiny, I mean really tiny.
Oh yeah. We'll save them because I don't want any more to grow in the center. I decided no more.
Man, you guys have to check this spot. There's a bunch. Yeah, I know. I'm leaving that spot. Oh my, this one's huge. Why is this one so big? Oh, it's not that big.
Wow. Lots and lots and lots of potatoes.
That is big. Whoa.
Wow,
Mom.
that's the big one right there. That thing is huge. Look at that.
It's an egg.
I know. That
I'm
thing
gonna
is
try to find a
huge.
bigger one. I want to plant that one next. Ugh. Oh man, this thing's big. Just kidding. I want to eat this in soup. Oh, that one's big. Mom, these ones are big. Mom, look at these
Jeez.
two.
So many.
Mom, look at these two.
Those are huge.
You guys know, we could dig over there and see. Come on. I know, here. Mom, where's the I'm gonna dig here. Yeah, you kind of, whoa, yeah, there's roots of tiny ones. Oh, found some. Just digging, I found some. Yeah, these things are huge. No, I mean a huge one. That is the biggest root I've ever seen. Mom,
Mm-hmm.
this is the longest root I've ever seen. Check out my stick. Guys, did you know there's roots under here? Like full on under? I found a peanut. That's all I've ever seen. You guys look. I found
Wow.
I
Sorry,
found
I got
another
so many.
potato. I found it.
Oh. Okay, start your pile here. I gotta keep going through
Purple
here.
one. Wait, is that pink? Nope, purple. Oh, this one. Oh yeah, look at it. We're getting so old from doing those potato barrels. Oh yeah, remember that video? I didn't even know you were doing this, Mom. Remember how you were looking into the video camera like, run. Like that.
Yeah.
That was so cool. But we gotten so old that we're not cute anymore, but we still are. When I'm 10, we're 9.
You guys are cute.
Oh, hello, man, these things are huge. Oh, there's a root here. That means there's potatoes somewhere over here. If you need, you can use my stick.
Oh yeah.
Here, I found a huge one.
It's okay. Let's just do it by hand so we don't mess up the potatoes.
Oh, I don't. I just go at the top to get some areas to dig. Oh, there's one right here. Found this one. Nice. What if we find a cucumber on the ground?
Nah. Can't grow it underground. You guys go deep. Okay. Been finding them pretty deep.
Yeah, mine's like this deep. I've been digging this deep and I found like lots of.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Oh yeah. This is like a pantry again. Where's Roxy? Whoa! I found like 5 of them. The one right there. Oh, that's a big one. Mom, need help.
Oh yeah.
I know. Use my stick. Just be careful. No, I mean like all of them are.
Dig around it.
No, I'm saying all of them are together, so they're hard.
Oh okay. Let me move the camera though.
Don't dig over there. This one too. Yeah, I know. I saw that. Got it, big one. It's stuck to the roof. Whoa. Oh,
And
wow.
another one
Mom, look how much I found. big one.
Okay. Daniel, why don't you put yours in here? Okay.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. To put it on your right
Ow.
side too. Don't drop them, remember?
Yeah, you have to dig real deep. I'm not doing so well.
Why?
These are my goodness. Like two of them are
Well,
plated
Try
on
to
each
dig
other.
around. Don't
Dug.
dig right there, but dig past it, like a couple inches past it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, and it's still very hard. Like it weighs 100 pounds. And I'm trying to dig over here, and it's just like plated on each other. Oh my goodness. See, this is what I mean. Oh, there's like three of them like stuck to each other. Wow, that's a big one.
Get the little ones, Daniel, too. I don't want the potatoes to be growing in this garden next year.
That would be bad. That's a big, Mom. These are the big purple potatoes, Mom. We're getting big purple potatoes. Another big one. Another big one. Wow. 5 gallons of buckets of potatoes already? I have 5 gallons. Hey, yeah, we have to dig up every single root after this.
Yeah, we'll have to get the pitchfork out.
Wow. Pitchfork?
Yeah.
High pitchfork that screams high pitch. Pitchfork. Oh my goodness. It's, yeah, I know that. Wow, that's a big one. No, I found a baby worm that's so fat. A baby worm that's fat? I don't know about that. I found another one. That's a nice big one.
Oh, wow, Daniel. Found a big one right there.
Yeah, I know. This one's huge.
Try to dig around it so it doesn't scratch the skin.
Oh, this thing's huge.
Wow.
Kind of big.
That is big.
This one's big too. This one's big. I know what the pitchfork is. Pitchfork. Remember in Shrek 2 how they use these little things, the 4 little things? It looks like a fork.
Yes.
Huge.
Hence
in
the
a whip.
fork name. Pitchfork.
Okay, high pitched fork. Man, the potatoes are everywhere. I think we should get a different bucket now.
No. Let's wait until we're overflowing. Not quite. Yeah?
Yeah, you don't have to buy any more of those, what is it called again? Canning, what is it called again? The one that you put water in it and potatoes and other stuff?
Oh, the
Man.
jars?
Yeah. There's big jars in here, like those, like this big jars.
Oh, yeah.
There's like 4 or 5. Oh, yeah, this is a big one.
Well, I can't use those for canning, those ones. Those are more for like fermenting.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we bought them and they had pickles in them.
Yeah, that's what I meant. I can't find it. I'll look in the garage. Oh, this is the huge one! Mom, this is big. Mom, this is the biggest purple potato.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Holy nostril. Hey, Mom.
Mhm.
Might want to take a look around on my side.
Oh, yeah.
I got a bunch of purple potatoes right here.
I don't think it's dug that area, see?
No, you didn't dig that area. Oh, yeah, that's the new pitchfork.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the new one. We have an old one. Well, this is the only one I found. I think that's the one. No, not now. We gotta keep.
We gotta continue getting it all.
This is the biggest. No, this one I found. We still have some right here.
Uh-oh, did I just bury all the potatoes I just dug up?
Oh, these
Or
right
did you
here?
put-
Yeah, I put them in the bucket.
Oh, good. Whew. Those go in the bucket too.
Mom, there's roots leading right here.
Oh, wow.
Big one.
Oop, big one. Oh, sweat is getting in my
Not
eyes.
as big as, Mom, not as big as this one though. That I found. Found one. Yeah, I see that. You can put it in the bucket, you know.
My sunscreen is melting off of my face.
Melting? Does it actually like dry? Oh, there's a root right here. You could just let it out the sand and.
Yes. Oh, jeez. You guys missed a bunch.
Hi, Mom.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay.
42.8. 42.
Oh, so dark.
There we go.
Oh no.
Right when